Hold up, Pops. Ain't nobody getting out this whip without dropping some freestyle. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I don't know if I could possibly. Straight out of school band, a crazy named Cleveland. This is my left hand and this is my hand. I'm spitting more wisdom than Morgan Freeman. They call me Hot Brown and the sea bizzle. I don't mind the rain if the rain is just a drizzle. Whistle, razzle, woozle, wait, razzle, dazzle, doozle, date, B-I-G-C-L-E-V-E. Relatively STD-free. Drop a rat up. Now I'm doing much better, like upgrading to an Escalade from Jetta. Yo, hey Donna, I wanna get on ya. And I'm kinda hungry, so make some lasagna. I got a son, he's like a big fat Urkel. And when he's in the nude, he's like a big fat circle. Did I do that? Yeah, you're big and fat. Drinking melted butter for a midnight snack. Shoutouts to Rilo, hello. You're 2 feet tall with a 3-foot afro and a hunger Roberta. I don't mean to hurt ya, but more dudes have laid on ya than a mattress named Zerta. Your punks misconsider me, you can't get rid of me. I'm a Cleveland steamer, come and take a big old on me. My flow is some noise, white boys do my voice, and my rhymes are even harder